welcome to my channel. My name is Evie, and on today's video I'll be showing you how to crochet a tube top. So this is what I need: two ball of yarns, my tape measure, crochet hook as usual, and my pair of scissors. So for this top, it's a small size and my bust area is 32, so I'll go ahead and measure for, and I'll be having 27 inches, so I'll chain a length of 27 inches. So to start, I'll go ahead and make a foundation chain of 27 inches. Here I have my 27 inches foundation chain of 27 inches. So the next thing I'll do, I'll be placing single crochets, and I'll be placing half double crochets and single crochets for today's pattern. So I'll yarn over on this stitch here. I'll go ahead and yarn over, pull through 3. On the next stitch here, I'll just yarn over and pull through 2. So go ahead with this half double crochet and the single crochet, then I'll meet you once I'm at the end of my row. Now I'm on my last stitch, so I'll place a single crochet, then chain 1 and begin with a half double crochet. So go ahead and continue with the same pattern till the end. Then the next, a single crochet. I'm on my last stitch here. I'll place a single crochet, then chain 1 and place half double crochet on the next stitch. So repeat the same process, then I'll meet you once I'm on top. Now I have my desired length. I did crochet length of 7 inches. So the next thing I'll do, I'll be placing single half double crochets all through. So I'll chain 1, turn my work, then place half double crochets all through. So I'll yarn over in each and every stitch. I'll place half double crochet. So I'm done with my half double crochet. So the next thing I'll do, I'll chain 1, turn my work, then from here I'll be working on my ruffle part. So I will place 3 half double crochets on one stitch. So yarn over, the first half double crochet, second half double crochet, third half double crochet. On the next stitch, place 3 half double crochets. Then on the third stitch here, I'll place 1 half double crochet. So that's the pattern: 2 of 3 half double crochets and 1 half double crochet. I'm done with the first row of ruffles. So the next thing, I'll chain 1. I've chained already. So I'll turn my work and place 3 half double crochets on the first stitch. Same to the next stitch, place 3 half double crochet. Then on the next stitch, I'll place 1 half double crochet and continue the pattern: 2 of 3 half double crochets and 1 half double crochet. I'm done with my second row, so I'll chain 1, turn my work, and for the third row repeat the same process of 3 double crochets on one stitch, 3 double crochets on the next stitch, and then 1 double crochet. Just repeat the same pattern. I'm done with my 3 rows, so the next thing I'll do, I'll make a slip knot. I've already cut my yarn. Then the next step, I'll be crocheting, I'll be chaining. I'll double up my yarn. And chain 150. So go ahead and chain 150, then I'll be done with my tube top. I'm done with my chain, so I'll go ahead, cut off my yarn, and then attach it. I'm done attaching the chains, and this is how it looks like. So please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. Then I'll meet you on the next video, and thank you for watching.